Hello guys, my name is Sakwade. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step process of turning off two-factor authentication in Gmail account. So to start, click on any browser of your choice. In the address bar, log in to Gmail accounts. And on the right top corner, click on Google Accounts. Click on Manage Your Accounts. Click on Security. Under Sign to Google, click on Step verification. This shows that two-step verification is on. So to turn off, click on it. Log in with your email and password. Then this is the turn off. Clicking on turn off. To turn off two-step verification. Click on turn off. That click on it. When you finish, go into your Gmail account. Google will send you a welcome message. Verification is turned off. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Clicking the bell icon, click the notification. For more information on how you can turn off two-step verification, under the description below, click on link to the post to turn off. Click on find more info how you can turn off two-factor authentication.